Super quick and easy IK rig like this. First, what you want to do is go to your rig. First here, drag off. I'm just going to quickly do this. You don't have to do it exactly like this, but as long as you get the leg, then it's good. Now move that to here and there down. If you don't do that, it can bend really weirdly. I'm just going to move that a bit more inwards. Drag off of the knee, Alt P, clear parent, and move that up to here. You don't have to have it high up, you can just have it here, but I like to have it high, so that way it gets rid of some issues. Click on the foot, drag down, you again press E, and that will do that. Alt P and clear the parent, but do not move this foot at all, just keep that where it is. And you can parent that to here, or you could add a separate route that these will go to and connect the leg to this one here. So this only controls the leg and this controls everything else. Now back here, let's call this thigh.r, and this one is calf.r, knee.r, and foot.r. This can just be butt, and here be root. Now, if you look at it from front on, select this part of it, go to armature, and that, I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. There you go. Now it is perfectly symmetrical. So if you press the mirror, it will mirror it on the other side. Now, another thing you can do to save time is before mirroring it, select this here, go to pose mode, and then go to the bone constraints tab, inverse kinematics, chain length to 2, target armature bone is foot.r, so we now have IK like that. Then pole target armature and this bone be the knee. Now it will bend weirdly and this rotation is different for you every time, so just move this around to see which way it goes. For me it is 180, so flip it around, and now we have a leg. So now if I go back to edit mode, select this half of it, and again mirror it, we now have IK for 2 legs. And the reason why we have a separate route is if you select the bottom of this, which will be around the butt area, and drag it down, you can move the legs like that. So there you go, simple IK.